Again, just a look at the downtown skyline. You can see the Statue of Liberty.
So was there anything that caught your attention in the Bible exhibit? I mean, the historical exhibit?
The sunset is always beautiful in New York. Downtown Manhattan, One World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center. Now looking way back here, you can see 157, the very top of it. That's the top of 157. 432 Park Avenue will be somewhere in that general area. It's still too early to tell because it's still too low. But 432 Park Avenue will be in that area. Way back there in Midtown. But here we are in downtown. So yeah, this is just part of Brooklyn. I'm filming everything today. Really looking forward to Towers 2 and 3. Again, there's the guy wires and communications rings. The cranes are gone. Again, quickly talking about 432 Park Avenue, it'll definitely stand out when it's done because it's really thin. It'll be the only thin skyscraper that has such a height that'll be taller than One World Trade Center. Alright everybody, that's all the time I have for today. So, this is going to be the end of this update. Be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the towers and the progress. If you have any questions to ask me, be sure to ask them. I will get back to you. And most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this update. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.